If we are applying for Australian permanent residence visa, then the benefit we get is such as low crime rate, higher GDP, higher quality lifestyle.
We have good success stories of immigration.
Hey, hi dear. This side Pratima.
Hi, my name is Sonali.
Hi, my name is Falguni Tiwari. I am here with PO Visa since 2018. PO Visa is well-known, reliable immigration and visa company. We have our branches in Canada, Australia, Delhi and Bangalore also. We have good success stories of immigration. Now, Mr. Rudra, who's the branch manager of Delhi offices, will guide you more about Australia.
Hi. Many people come to our office to get counsel for their career in abroad. They are very confused about which country to go, what program should they apply, which visa they should apply. But do not worry anymore. PR Visa is there to help you to get a solution for all these problems, and the solution we present in front of you is immigration. What immigration is? Immigration is a process for your relocation as a permanent intention for these countries. Why immigration is important? Because it comes with many rights that you can get, such as you can work with any employer that you want, you can study with any university that you want, you can take your family to be settled over there with them, and you can move freely to that country's any area, and whenever you want you can come back to your home country as well. And if we are talking about immigration, let's not forget about Australia. Australia is an amazing blend of nature's beauty and suburban landscape. Australia is amongst the most preferred country for the immigration applications. And Australia provides permanent residential visa to the people who are interested for their immigration. Permanent residence visa gives you many rights and the benefits. And if we are applying for Australian permanent residence visa, then the benefit we get is such as low crime rate, higher GDP, higher quality lifestyle, and all the benefits which I told you just right away. And if we are applying for Australian immigration, then the programs that is running currently is General Skill Migration Program of Australia. In that program, your file will be picked on the basis of the points that are awarded by the Australian Home Authority on the basis of your age, education, experience and other things among them. Australia has three types of visa categories: 189, 190 and 491. 189 is the class which is going to give you Australian PR without any condition on behalf of your points. 190 is a state nominated class in which you are going to get the nomination from a particular state. The only condition will be there that you have to work in that particular state for at least of 2 years. The 490 class is a provisional immigration, or you can say provisional permanent residence visa class of Australia, in which you will get a provisional PR in which some rights will be taken away from you. But do not worry, once you spend 2 years in Australia with 491 visa, then you can apply for another class that is called as 887. In that, not much of a documentation is required. You will directly get the permanent residency within very short time. Now, let's take things further, and my colleague is going to explain you about the further process, how PR Visa process your application.
Yes, we are moving on this process by registering yourself with some of the documents. You have to give all these documents to us, and then we will confirm you whether you will be going or not. We do not want to waste your time. And yes, you want to go, we want to send you. But yes, we have to clear the attributes and the parameters of the immigration policies. So first of all, we can make you confirm, yes, you will be going there or not. That is definitely in 48 hours. So in next 48 hours, you will be aware of, yes, you are moving or not. After that, yes, we need to move on for the next very important step, that is a profile discussion. Yes, the speciality of the PR Visa. As we have very good tie-ups in Canada, we have a recruitment agent in Canada who will be helping you out and make a profile discussion, and he will understand the domain and the communication level of yours. This process, he will call you and he will make you assured, yes, he will be helping out in job possibilities. Very next feedback report of his. After that, we needed your sign-up amount. Yes, sign-up, that is definitely a fee Yes, you are putting your inputs in this process with the help of Peer Visa. After signing up the amount with Peer Visa, yes, we are giving you everything in return. Everything in return, like what all refund policies are there, what all term conditions are there between you and between us. Yes, between us. Yes, because this Peer Visa is going to help you out in this process. Yes, throughout your process, starting from the documentation and ending on the process. Getting yourself settled there, yes, from the scratch to the success. Yes, we are the Peer Visa team is here to guide you and to do it for you. Yes, you are putting your inputs in this process with the help of Peer Visa.
And I'm working for Peer Visa as an Australian documentation specialist. Basically, we do the screening in the documentation process for the Australia process. There are 3 basic stages. In the first stage, we basically check the documentation screening based on their ENSCO code and their profiling as per the assessing authorities available. We do check, for example, we do check the VETASYS. VETASYS is for the managerial professions. The ACS is for the computer IT professionals. And there is an engineering profiles also, which is for the engineering Australia and vice versa. Based on the assessing authorities, we do the skill assessment for our applicants. If the applicant skill assessment gets positive, then also parallelly we give training material to the applicants based on the PTE material. On that application, applicants needs to score required bands as per the Australian process. Apart from that, then we do the skill assessment. If the skill assessment gets positive, then we go for the second stage. In the second stage, expression of interest is filed based on his PTE score and his skill assessment positivity. If his skill assessment is positive, we go for the hard copies of the documents where we ask the documents on the basis of the expression of interest which is there. Once the expression of interest is filed, the file is in the pool and it is valid for at least 60 days. Third stage of the documents, if he gets the ITA, that is an invitation to apply from the Australian authority, then the main PR filing is done. On the main PR filing, we ask for the documents in a hard copy from the applicant side based on the required documents, and there are documents also such as the police clearance certificate, medical and the proof of funds, etc., which we do ask for the clients. And once he submit, we need to wait for the final update on their PR filing. There is a PR stamping which is being done by the embassy side. So we do ask the client to provide the passport copy and the original passports also for the final PR stamping. Once the final PR stamping is done, that means his PR is complete, and we do hand over all the documents along with the login credentials which we create for the applicants we share with them. And this is how this process gets completed. This particularly process for this Australia takes approximately 6 to 8 months, and that again varies based on the client's profile. Thank you and have a great day.
You already got an overview about Peer Visa. At last, what we want to say that if you are dreaming to live in any foreign country and get a best life for your kids, you are already there. The only one thing which you have to do for that is to just pick your phone, connect through the below mentioned detail, and take a one right decision to get best life for your kids. And then it's our responsibility that we make sure that if there is 1% chance that you can live your dream, you can give best life to your family, we make sure it happens. It's our responsibility that if there is any blockages coming in your way, we make sure that it gets resolved.